Let me see our view. Beautiful. Coffee machine. Oh, there's like a stereo system. What?
This is freaking big.
Oh, check out the buttons on the toilet. And we got USB because everybody needs their device on the toilet. Wow. There's a view over here too. Oops, he caught me with the wine already. Hello. Tub. Shower. Wow. I like it. It's a nice feature. Is that the remote? Yeah. It's the storage. This can be closed off. In there. There's a safe. I remember that I did a view of these like maybe 10 years ago. I remember this like a pass through. I guess this thing is not for guests. There's all these like compartments that I don't think we can open. Where's the fridge?
Right here.
Oh, sneaky.
这应该是没杯子吗？那我怎么？
Yeah, how are we supposed to
我们
make
怎
our
么喝？
coffee? Shall we
那里有
ask?
杯子。
Oh,
没有啊，可是这个是酒杯啊。
yeah.
啊，这个真
I
的
thought
太
you.
冷了啦。
I thought they were not giving us water. That's water.
他这样说啊。
And there's another pot over here. 有杯子吗？没有。Interesting. Where are our杯子? Found them. The only issue with this room are carpet stains. But if we don't look down, it's nice. Good morning. This is their water. That's the floor plan. Or in that one. Ugh, nasty day. They got this Squid Game thing going on. Never saw it. I know what it is, but creepy. Yeah.
而且没有楼上那么冷。
Yeah, this is big. I think that's a bigger bed.
对。
Yeah. Or is that two beds put together?
Yes.
Interesting.
The thing
Yeah.
is, they should put a smaller bed and put a couch there. This is also nice.
Yeah, good enough.
Yay.
They even have a plant. There's good pressure on the shower, and you can make it rain. That's Taiwan Dadao right there. Kind of major road. Way down there is the department stores. This has a different texture, I think, than the one upstairs.